Okay, y'all, and as you can see, I am literally in big large outfit with my tripod, my laptop. I'm getting to it, okay? You must say I have the audacity to show up online. I want to have that audacity too. Hey, beautiful people. So I decided just now I'm going to go ahead and start my new YouTube channel. You guys know I have been doing glam and fashion, all this good stuff for the past 14 years. And I am sharing with you in real time becoming a confidence coach. Okay, I'm going from influencer confidence creator to confidence coach. Hey, Diva Dolls, it's your girl Crystal Chanel, also known as Crissy the Doll, and I decided to start a new YouTube channel. This new channel is all about turning confidence into cash. Okay, I'm talking about real coins that you can make just by having a cell phone and Wi-Fi. This channel, we're doing everything social media monetization. All right, so if you're wondering why am I doing this, why now? Well, girl, it is Vlogmas, okay? No time than this time to start posting daily on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys from scratch, from starting ground zero. This is going to be my literal journey as I build this YouTube channel, as I build out my own course, and as I build my community from scratch. I literally want to help the baddies make money because on my watch there's no broke baddies, and it's easier than you think to do it, okay? So I'm going from influencer work, which I still do to this day. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias at Crissy The Doll. But now I'm here to help y'all make money instead of just spending, okay? So stick around. Right now, I'm going to go through some of my branding as I set up my channel. And then tomorrow, we're going to go through basically for the rest of this week, how to get started, okay? So if you are interested in making money online, if you are ready to start your own YouTube channel, if you want to start your own course, and I'm just here for a good time and for support, y'all. I appreciate you, and yeah, let's get this thing started. But because it is loud in here and I do not have to have the microphone, I'm going to go ahead and slip into something more comfortable, and I will meet you guys at the crib. That way we can get into the details.
Okay, girl, I am home. We are in the Millionaire Content Club studio, and we are about to jump right in it. So before we get started, this is the place if you are interested in monetizing your lifestyle. If you want to learn how to get paid for being you. I am your confidence coach. I will be helping you be confident online and be confident so much in your work that you get paid for it. This is a brand new channel. This is day one. This is December 1st. This is Vlogmas. And y'all, by this time next year, I will be crossing $1 million. Yes, I will. I will have 100,000 of the subscribers in the club, and I'm going to have $1 million revenue in my bank account. I believe it. I know it. This has been on my heart, on my brain. Y'all, God has given me the vision, and guess what I'm doing? I'm finally putting in the work. If you want to learn how to turn your content into coins and your confidence into cash, this is the place you need to be. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As you may know, or if you don't know, my name is Crystal Chanel, also known as Crissy the Doll, and I've been around for a couple of years or two, okay? Like, I have been doing curvy, plus-size fashion, beauty, confidence, one video at a time, like all of that good stuff as an influencer and a content creator. So I have made a lot of money influencing, and I've been making a lot of money helping you guys shop as far as what to buy, when to buy it, how to save money, like everything like that. And to be honest, it is fun. It is literally still my job today. Shameless plug. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias at Crissy the Doll. But yeah, I want to feel something, okay? I want to feel fulfilled. It's not that I'm not happy doing that kind of work anymore, because again, it is fun and it's literally what I love to do. But in this day and age, I need something more. I need something to fill me up. I want to help others make money online doing what I do. I can't teach you anything else. All I can teach you is what I know how to do. And I figured, what better way than to be an example. When I'm making this channel, I want you guys to know exactly who I serve. I am serving specifically the women aged 30 to 55 is what I'm going to say, all right? I just turned 40, so I have like a sweet spot to where I've been there, done that, and I kind of have the pop culture and the hipness to stay relevant online with everything as far as how fast it moves. So I think I can teach you there. Plus, I am getting older now. I realize the importance of working slow, not hustling, getting rest. You know, we want the soft life, but I understand soft life does not mean easy life, okay? You still, in my case, in my opinion, you still have to put some work in. But I want you to work smarter, not harder, and that's why I decided to make this channel. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am, again, your coach, Crystal Chanel. I am here for all things social media monetization, and I want you to be a part of the Millionaire Content Club, so go ahead and subscribe. I'm also starting an email list from scratch, y'all, so I will be covering that as well in this series. I will be dropping gems. I will be sending out a recap email to my list at the end of this week, so make sure by day 7 you are signed up to my free email list. The link is down below because I'm going to recap everything all week long and send out that newsletter, and it's 100% completely free for you. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you get on that email list. I will be back tomorrow. I'll be going over actual branding and showing you how I create graphics and how you can too. I will actually be sharing with you how I am going to design my channel. We're talking about the banner, my intro, my outro. I want to thank you so much for your love and support. That is it. So don't forget, on my watch, no broke baddies. Mwah. Bye.